We're going to do a brief video on Amazon stock, AMZN stock, and we've got a daily chart here of Amazon with a 5-day moving average in green, a 200 average day moving average in blue, and a 20-day moving average in red. This is a daily chart here real quick, and we're going to take a look. Amazon is down today, looks like over 3%, and currently trading at $98.97. It's down about $3.47. Daily range is about $98.86 to $104.54. The volume is way up. 41 million shares already traded on an average daily volume of 58 million shares, and it's just after 11 o'clock on the 1st of November. Let's take a look real quick at this stock. As you can see, we had a huge gap here last week, and it's not getting any better this week. We've got a 200, a 20, and a 5-day moving average here. The price is down below all of those. The low last week for this bear market was set at $97.66. So we haven't touched that yet today. Again, our low $98.86. So what needs to happen if this stock's going to stop is it needs to catch some support right in here and start to come across a few days, 2 to 3 days, and by Friday start to move up and get above this 105 level. Let's take a look at the hourly chart real quick and see if there's any chance of that happening. This is an hourly chart of Amazon. You can see it's been below or broke below the 40-day for the second time here in September 12th. The 200-hour moving average came back here, put in a brief rally above the 200-hourly moving average. 200-hour moving average is the blue one, and then broke down hard, and that's not a good sign at all. It's basically showing that it doesn't have very much respect at all for the 200-hour moving average, which a lot of stocks don't. But this showed that there was no internal support from the smart money. Smart money probably would have bought this stock like they did here, but this trend line is coming down. So this was a very, very negative signal for Amazon, and as follows, you could see it just collapsed after that. This break right here was 116, and we're below 100 today. So what's got to happen? You can see we're testing these lows. What's got to happen is got to get this stock back up. This was last week's low here that I mentioned earlier, we got to get this stock back up by putting in some kind of rally here, and I don't see that today. I don't see it at all on this chart. It's a very negative looking hourly chart. It definitely, you can see they sold the heck out of it right here when it got to 104 this morning. So we had a slight move across here last night, and then or yesterday afternoon, and then as soon as it rallied to 104, they sold the heck out of it. So not a good sign for Amazon. There's still a lot of people in here, even after this huge drop and a short covering rally. There's still a lot of people in here trying to sell the heck out of this stock. So my short-term prognosis for this stock is it's going to go lower, probably down here to about 95 at a minimum. And it's all my opinion for entertainment purposes only. Let's take a look at the weekly chart and see what they say there. You can see this is really, really negative situation on the weekly chart. It's broken through this whole weekly congestion set back here in June and May at the 103 level, right around 102, and it's broken through all that. So the next support level is down here for Amazon, is down here from March of 2020 at the $81 level. I wouldn't aggressively say 81 right now, but I would definitely say, you know, this stock is a $95 stock in my opinion, and I think it's probably going to have to get down to 95 or even the low 90s before it catches some support here. And again, there's really no support for it until $81 from a technical perspective. So let's take a look and see what RBM Research says about it. We've got buys across here, 1, 5, 20. Trading day holds for Amazon today starts at $99.85 all the way up to $101.92. All of those have been hit today, so they're all active. And it looks to me like, if we go back here to the hourly, let's see if we could have already made some money. It looks to me like you could have made a few bucks on the, you might have made a few dollars on this 5-day trade in and out. These are basically get in the day of and then get out, worst case, at the end of the prescribed holding period at a loss, or take your profits as soon as you get them. So if you got in, if this got hit, this one didn't get hit. The 1-day hold didn't get hit yet today, I don't think. It might have just barely gotten hit. But if the 5-day got hit, you could have got out and made a few bucks this morning. And so that's how these work. You can get access to all of our algorithms, all of our entry prices every morning before 7 a.m. for free, no credit card required, at rbmresearch.com. They're all updated before 7 a.m. Monday through Friday for 190 stocks, the major forex pairs, pairs, BTC crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts. You just follow the link in the description over to RBAM Research, put in your email address, and get immediate free access to everything we cover. Keep in mind, everything that we show you here, our entry prices and our commentary, is all for entertainment purposes only. Can't use it for anything other than entertainment. You should always do your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. And if you got a great comment for us, we'd love to hear it in the comment section below.